This is Ali, and right now I'm going to start the course of guest posting for
Oh my
guest
god!
posting is the best way of smart earning in this modern age right now. And let me talk about the requirements of this course. Like you want to buy a laptop and a high-speed internet. If you have a laptop already, so that is very good. Otherwise, you want to buy a new laptop. My side, like what is guest posting? It's a course in which let's assume there is two website, a website A that is highly ranked website and the website B that is in initial state right now. And we are going to mail to the website A and bargaining with website A owner. Like we give you $50 or maybe $150 to post the article on your account, and then we find our clients. Like I mean to say, then we find the website B that is initial stage website, like a new website, and then we are going to mail to our client, and then we are saying that like to our client, like you can give me $300. Client is bargaining with us, so the final price that we are going to set with our client is $250, and we got the $250 from our client, and then we are going to send the $150 to our other website A owner, and after that there is a profit of $100 that is our
Yeah,
profit.
boy.
Like you got $250 from our client, like the website B, and give the $150 to the website A, and the benefit of $100 is ours, like it's our benefit. This is our first course lecture, and right now it's done. Like the first video, the first lecture is about the introduction of guest posting that I have already told to all of my public in this video. So right now the second video that we made is like how to mail to our owners of the website A and the client of website B. First of all, like today video is done, and I can let you know like what about second video. And in our second video, like in our second lecture that I don't like didn't make yet, in which we can like search target website for guest posting. Like the second video is about how to search target website for guest posting. So right now, and let me tell you one thing about the guest posting. Like we want to post the articles in the highly ranked website, like the high ranked website. So let me first of all tell you what is the article. Let me open my article in my website. So it's a new website. That is my website. It's stay fit and smart with me.blogspot.com, and this called article. This is called article that is named with best exercises for mornings. And first of all, we are going to open this article. There's introduction of this article, and after that, there is advantages of doing morning activities. The top 10 advantages of doing morning activities. These are all called a website, and we are also putting the pictures in this article. And these are the article. This is my first article that I then post, and after that it's conclusion, and that's it. This is the article. Now today work is done, and right now we're simply good to go. So take care of yourself. I really appreciate it to my all of my public. So take care of yourself, my public. Have a good day. Bye.